If you have a solution in MPLAB Analog Designer that you are wanting to further investigate, you can export your design solution to the MPLAB Mindi environment. In the MPLAB Mindi environment, you can do further analysis, such as playing around with voltage waveforms and gaining transient responses. In order to get started, go to the solution page of your design. Over on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see the Export option. Go ahead and click on that. What will pop up will be a window that will give you two options. On the left-hand side of the window will be the option to download MPLAB Mindi Analog Simulator. On the right-hand side of the screen will be the simulation files for the design. If you already have MPLAB Mindi, you can go ahead and click on these icons to download the simulation files. Once you have your files downloaded, you can click on them to open them in MPLAB Mindi. Once you've opened them, you'll be able to start your analysis. If you're needing further assistance with MPLAB Mindi, please check out our tutorial video linked in the description below.